When a property is for sale that is either a fixer-upper or the renovations are dated, I find sellers and buyers looking at this very differently. I've heard sellers say the buyer is just going to do their own renovation anyways. If I did any improvements to the property, the buyer might just wind up ripping it all out. The buyer might not have the money to do any renovation, so they need to decide what they can live with. Or if it's a vacation rental, the buyer is thinking, I've never owned a second home, I don't know who to call to fix this up, and I won't be able to rent it out while it's being renovated. When a buyer is purchasing a property that is thousands of miles and a plane ride away from them, it's sometimes a stretch for them to start off with a renovation. For a seller, they may not have the funds to do work on the property. If they do, it needs to be a seller's market to get all or even a partial part of that investment back. What to do is answered by the market itself. Is it a seller or a buyer's market? In a seller's market, properties that need a complete renovation sell quickly because buyers are seeing properties flying off the market, and when everybody is tripping all over themselves to buy, they do too, and they'll figure out the renovation later. But if it's a buyer's market and they have some inventory to choose from, they will pay more for a property that is turnkey. Is it a buyer or a seller's market for your price point or neighborhood or condominium complex? There is no one-size-fits-all for that question, but a good real estate agent that is not afraid to be truthful with you and who knows the market can help you with that. So you will not be putting your property on the market with nobody coming around and saying, what's going on? Get in front of it, and I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Aloha.